Hello everyone, Crystal here with Screamin' Chicken. I believe this is our first video of the new year, so welcome back to our channel. Today we are sharing a video that an awesome customer of ours sent in comparing our LED taillight combo for a '69 Camaro to others on the market. So check it out, let us know what you think, give this video a thumbs up, and feel free to drop a comment below. And we want to give a big shout out to Frank and Cher for sending this video to us. So let's get into it.
Okay, step on the brake, release the brake, turn the left signal, now the right signal. Okay, turn the headlights on, turn the, step on the brakes. Okay, release the brake, turn on the right signal, turn on the left signal, okay, and then put it in reverse. Okay.
All right, that is the comparison video of our LEDs versus others on the market. These are the LEDs that are available for the taillight combo. The taillight combo includes everything you need for the rear of the car. Like I said, we have them available in retro brights or diode dynamics. There are 4 options available depending on how bright you would like them. If you do not currently have any other LEDs on the car, you want to be sure to add a pair of the flashers. All right, y'all, that is it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, drop any comments below, and y'all have a great day.